Tondo, thank you so much at malalaman na natin sino-sino ang nagmamayari ng mga titulo ngayong gabi. Yes, to be awarded mga judges po natin. Our third runner-up to be awarded by Judge number 1 and 2, please. Judge Dr. Robert and Judge number 2 we have Mr. William Islam, or Miss William. To be awarded by Chairman Maria Mario. Alright, this is it. Our third runner-up for our Mr. and Miss Sexy Body 2026 sa ating male category. You are the third runner-up and congratulations, candidate number 4. And for our female category, you are the third runner-up, candidate number 1. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, you are the third runner-up. You will receive a sash, a certificate, and a cash also. Runner-up to be awarded by judge number 3 we have Mr. June Laksa, and judge number 4 we have Kagawad Richie Kenlan. Together with Bexy from District 4, Kagawad Rap Apanay. Kagawad na Papanay, please. Join with us. Our second runner-up will receive a sash, a certificate, and a cash, of course. Our second runner-up for our male category. You are the second runner-up. Congratulations, candidate number 2. And for our female category, you are the second runner-up as none other than candidate number 5. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. You will receive a sash, a certificate, and also a cash. Runner-up to be awarded by judge number 5 of Mr. Bean Paz and judge number 6 of Mr. Linwell Flores, and also Kagawad Alpi, aka Michael P. Alright, ito na nga ating pinakahihintay. Kasama po natin ang cast ng Pepito Manaloto, si Michael B. Right na rin po nakikipiesta, Viva Santo Niño! category. You are the first runner-up and congratulations, candidate number 3. And for our female category, you are the first runner-up. Congratulations, candidate number 6. Congratulations, candidate number 6 and candidate number 3. You are the first runner-up para sa ating Mr. and Miss Sexy Body 2026. And for our Mr. and Miss Sexy Body 2026 to be awarded by Chairman Dennis Pompa de la Rosa, President Mark Pancho Candy, Mr. Armando Liwanag, and of course, Miss Sonia. Nakalagay po kasi dito sa script ko yan, kayo po mag-award. So ang ating grand winner, ang ating Mr. and Miss Sexy Body 2026 male category. You will receive a sash, a certificate, and also a cash. Alright, you are the grand winner, ang ating Mr. Sexy Body 2026 is none other than candidate number 6. And join with here, ikaw ang ating grand winner para sa ating Miss Sexy Body 2026 is none other than candidate number 2. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, para sa ating grand winner ng Mr. and Miss Sexy Body 2026. Palakpakan naman po natin silang lahat. Talaga naman itong walang tulak kabigay ng kanilang mga kagwapuan, kagandahan, ang mga hubog ng mga katawan at higit sa lahat ang kanilang pinamalas ngayong fiesta ng Viva Santo Niño. Muli po, at sa lahat po ng winners, step forward po for photo ops. Third, second verse, and then our Mr. and Miss Sexy Body 2026. Iniimbitahan po namin dito sa may harapan po para sa ating photo ops.